Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to solve a system of equations by graphing. So you're going to be given a system of equations and we're going to use the graphing mechanism or the graphing method in order to see what are going to be the solutions, right? So in this case guys, we are given a system of equations which is y equals minus 4x plus 3 and 8x is equal plus 2y is equal to 8, right? Now, as a rule reminder, we're going to see that whenever we are graphing a function, the solution in x and in y is going to be the point of intersection of the two graphs. So whenever we have, for example, two lines, whenever they cut, we're going to have a solution for y and a solution value for x. Now, if the two graphs do not touch, then that means that we're going to have infinite number of solutions. Now, when the graphs do not touch, then that means that we're going to have no solutions because there is no intersection. And whenever we graph and we get exactly the same line, then that means that it is the same equation expressed differently, and the amount of solutions is going to be an infinite number of solutions. Okay, so let's try with this one. Now guys, remember that in order to graph a line or a linear equation, a linear function, you have to remember to graph 2 points for each line, right? So let's try using the second one, for example. We're gonna see that 8x plus 2y is equal to 8, right? So you get to choose 2 points, right? So we have 8x plus 2y is equal to 8. You choose, again, the points that you want to graph. So, for example, let's say whenever x is 0, so 8 times 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. So, 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. Again, 2y is equal to 8 because the 0 doesn't affect the equation. Y is equal to 8 divided by 2 because the 2 is multiplying. So that means that whenever we have a value of x equal to 0, right, our value of y is going to be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So we're going to graph that 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be here. Now, whenever we have a value of, we're going to choose another one. So for example, whenever we have a value of 2, let's say, so 8 multiplied by 2 plus 2y is equal to 8, right? So whenever we have that, we would see that this is actually 8 times 2 is 16, right? Plus 2y is equal to 8. So 2y is equal to, now we have 8 minus 16, correct? So 8 minus 16 is minus 8. And then 2y is equal to minus 8, so y is equal to minus 8 divided by 2, which means that's minus 4. So that means, guys, that whenever the value of x is 2, the value of y is minus 4. Again, whenever x is 2, y is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So there you have the first line, right? Which is going to be this one, right? Now we have graphed successfully the second one there. Now let's see and graph the other one, right? So in this case, it's kind of easier because it's already in the y equal mx plus b form. So we know that this is the y-intercept, which is going to be 3. So 1, 2, 3. It's going to be here. And we, again, get to choose any value that we want in order to graph. So for example, let's say if we wanted to graph for a value of, let's say positive 1, right? So for positive 1, we have y is equal to minus 4 times positive 1. Again, you can choose any value of x to find the point that you want. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4 plus 3 is going to be minus 1. So whenever x is 1, y is minus 1. Whenever x is 1, y is minus 1. So it's going to be here. And we're going to see that there's actually there actually is a relationship between the two. The two lines that we just graphed actually have the same slope. So it doesn't matter how much you stretch them, they are never going to touch. And because of that, we know that the amount of solutions here is going to be none, non-existent. So we're going to have no solutions in this problem, right? Because the two graphs of the two linear functions that we have here are not going to touch. Okay, guys? So remember, you choose your first equation and you graph 2 points, draw your line. The second one, 2 points, draw your line. And if they don't touch, then that means that for that system of equations, you're gonna have no solutions. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!